Hey you all guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about only 4 products from drugstore you need for your dry skin type for the upcoming winter season. If you're new to my channel, my name is Preeti. I live and work in Germany. I thought I'll put together this video because I used to get so much overwhelmed when searching for products for my dry skin type. Then I finally decided that I can settle with these 4 products for the winter from drugstore. So without further delay, let's get into it. So the first one is the day cream, which is the Balea Urea Targus cream. This is the same moisturizer which I'm also wearing now under my makeup. So this has SPF 15 in it, which is great for winters, not so harsh sun. Since it has urea is used as a medication to treat the dry skin or redness or itching on the skin. Basically, it binds the water and provides extra moisture onto the skin. It also has vitamin E, and urea and vitamin E together helps to reduce the tension in the skin caused by the dry skin. As usual, most of the Balea products, this one do not have aluminum, paraffins, parabens, mineral oils, and alcohol and dyes. Now my take with this is this acts as such a good makeup base, you guys. This doesn't grease your skin a lot, but slightly gives that, moisturized tint onto your skin, and it gives like a nice highlighted moisturized tint, you know what I mean, which I really like. And the best part is it lasts for the entire day. It gives 24 hours hydration. Now I have also tried some high-end products which promises to provide intense moisturizer like Clinique Moisture Surge, which says it provides moisture for 74 hours or something like this, but this product equally competes with that product, which is really nice. And for the price point, this is such a steal. This also has very good ratings in DM site. It has around 4.6 star ratings. Really like and recommend this product for the winter. The next one is the night cream. This is the Nivea Q10 Power Anti-Wrinkle and Regeneration Night Cream. It has so many good reviews. It has around 500 reviews in DM site, and it is 4.8 rated product. And I was really wondering that what's so good about this that I had to give it a try. And it also says it's for normal skin, and pretty much any skin type can use this. It has no alcohol, no paraffins and mineral oil. I have to admit that it's a really thick and intense moisturizing cream. Although it is meant for normal skin, I think it's so apt for the dry skin as well, because it is so thick and provides so much moisturization onto the skin. Since it's very thick, when I apply it, I just like to pat it on my face. I do not want to just rub it and move it around. And sometimes I like to use it with 2 drops of the serum so that it becomes little thin to spread onto the skin. Then it's really easy for the skin also to absorb quickly, and you really have to wait for it to get absorbed to the skin because it's so thick. First, when you apply, it feels a little bit of greasy, then after a while it absorbs to the skin. I have to admit that the first 2-3 times I've used it, I started to break out, but then it got adjusted to my skin and I never broke out after that. I also admit that you wake up in the morning to the most moisturized and the refreshed skin when you use it at the night. Overall, I feel that this is a very good night cream and you can definitely give it a try. The next one. I can never get enough of this product. I talk about this product in every single video. My favorite Balea Soft Wash Cream. This is for dry and sensitive skin. It has witch hazel, honeydew and vitamin E extract, which are really great for dry skin and to moisturize the dry skin. I've used a lot of face washes here, and they all kind of lather up and remove the moisture or suck out the moisture from the skin. Basically, it's a soft cream. It doesn't lather up and sucks out all the moisture. Instead, it adds extra moisture onto the skin, which I really like. Plus, it also cleanses really well. It removes like light makeup if you have. Really recommend it if you have dry skin, and really good for winter. Next one is, how can I not go without mentioning a face mask. It's the face mask I picked. It's the Isana Hydro Booster face mask. This mask says it provides 24 hours of moisture and adds on to the extra 48% moisture onto the skin when you use it. And it has aloe vera to intensely hydrate your skin. I normally apply it for 10 to 15 minutes and then I do not wash it, and I remove it with the face wipes. Usually I apply this kind of masks in the night, so I do not go over again with the night cream because this is so intensely moisturizing already. I just apply my eye cream and I just go to the sleep, and in the morning I wash it off with the water, and it provides so much good intense moisturization, you guys. Your skin would be glowing and it feels like healed overnight, really. And I always talk upon this. If you're looking for one intense hydration face mask for the winter, this is the one. So that's all in this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right here, and you can also follow me on Instagram right here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.